that's crazy. That's crazy as a mother. You think my sushi ready? My bad. What's up, gang gang? What's up, gang gang? It's your boy Brock back with another bang. I ain't playing no games. I'm about to be getting a little watchy with the putting some baking powder in the donuts.
Oh!
Why do you about to be some baking powder and donuts? It is what it is. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that notification bell if you haven't already. Smash the notification bell. Make it go ring, ding, dong. Hey, ring a ding, 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 dong. Smash the notification bell, player, so you get the notifications when we drop new videos, gang, gang. Post notification, gang. Post notification. Shout outs go to Ms. James, Siobhan Soul Food Kitchen, May B, YW Jackson, and Adriana Galloway. Hey, thank y'all so much for turning up in the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody want to shout out any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification, gang, down in the comments. And you have your post notification bell turned on, gang, gang. We was in Target. I seen Tasha grab some of these. And I was like, oh. So I slipped away right quick and grabbed some baking powder to get that ass, because I ain't taking no prisoners. So look, so then I seen her iron some little black Santa coffee mugs. So I'm like, nah, we don't need that. We don't need that. Only because I wanted some time to do my intro.
Oh!
And then as soon as we got out the car, I said, damn, we should have got those mugs. Go back and get those mugs right quick. So I could put some baking powder in your donut. It is what it is. Tell you, Tasha. Stop hating. And look, I'm gonna take 2 out because I'm gonna be eating on one. Like, man, I had to crack it open. I was hungry as hell. You know what I'm saying? But the rest of them, oh, they can baking powder on that head. I ain't playing no more. Dang. Ow. Ooh, my baby about to be powder donuts today.
Oh!
It is what it is, gang, gang. I'm gonna clean this shit up. Soon as I to get out here, we get straight into it, gang, gang. Let's do this thing.
20 minutes later.
You got your food?
I got it. You get them? You got the mugs? Was they still there?
Yep, I got them.
You got them?
I looked for those all last Christmas and they were sold out. I'm so happy we just scrolled by. I knew I should have got them.
You should.
But...
My bad. I told you not.
That's not your sushi.
I was hungry as hell.
Sushi.
I'm waiting on that shit, bro.
You in here sneaking donuts and shit. Man, if I knew we were sneaking snacks, I would have got a... Oh, you had to go in and get some more shit.
I'm hungry, bro. My bad.
So you said you was going to get some sushi, but really you in here eating my donuts and shit?
I told you I was hungry, bro. I was hungry.
First of all, how you just going to open my pack? This is a personal pack. If I wanted to share, I would have got the big
buy
pack.
you another pack. If you want another pack, I'll buy you another pack. You can get another pack. I'll buy you another pack. You want another pack.
It's just the principalities of it.
Ain't no principalities. Nigga, what you talking about, bro? You hungry?
Yeah, and I'm thirsty.
You want a sushi roll? You want a vegetable roll from the sushi place? You want
I don't want one. They just look like they're gonna make my mouth dry. Let me wet my whistle.
I would it. You want a fire too? They're like perfect powder.
I know I ain't had a powder donut in so long. When I looked at him, I was like, I need y'all get these. Look at this man.
I feel him. He looking crazy.
Crazy as hell.
Oh.
The line had got super long when I got back in there.
It did?
Hell yeah. I was like, what the fuck is going on? That line was not that damn long when we left out.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy as a mother. You think my sushi ready? My bad. What's wrong? You like it? What's wrong? Tasha. What the fuck? What's wrong? They bombed me. Open the door. What the hell, bro? You can't open the door.
Out! The fuck is this?
Tasha, what's wrong with you? Eat this one. Try this one. This one got extra powder on it. Wow.
Why the fuck is it so salty?
Salty?
The fuck is that?
Tasha, that shit was sweet as hell.
You just sitting here eating these salty motherfuckers?
Your ass ain't brush your teeth today. That's why you still tasting that garlic from yesterday.
You need to check your motherfucking blood pressure, nigga. That don't taste salty to you. That shit salty as fuck.
You trying to give it to me, Paul?
I don't want it.
Tasha, put it back in there, man. Why you put this shit was fire? What happened? What you mean? What happened? Well, why you say that? Well, what you do it? Oh,
it's gross.
You got powder all over your
You
damn.
messed up a...
Oh my.
Damn.
What happened? Goggle it, goggle it, goggle it, goggle it.
The fuck is that? Hell no!
It's your favorite. Why you act like these ain't your favorite?
Don't eat these.
Why you act like these ain't your favorite?
Brock, these don't taste salty as fuck to you.
Okay, taste this one here.
Stop playing.
Why would
These
you-
don't taste salty to you,
You think
babe.
somebody put some cocaine or something in them motherfuckers?
Are you okay?
No, I'm good. Why you patting me? You the one that ain't
Because
okay.
you can't taste this fucking salt.
Tasha, you clearly the one that I need to
Damn.
patting your ass. Are you okay, mother? You okay?
Something ain't right.
You think somebody dropped some cocaine?
Something ain't right. They dropped something on these motherfuckers. Take me to swoop a bitch back around.
For what?
I need to talk to
I
somebody.
need to take it to the
I need to
popo.
speak to the
You need
manager
to take
or
that shit to
something.
popo just in case somebody dropped some cocaine or something on the mother.
I don't want to sniff it.
Huh? That's what I'm saying here. Just sniff that one.
Stop playing. You sniffing. Is it cocaine or is it what is it? Cocaine? Cocaine. I ain't never smoked cocaine. I ain't never snorted.
Ah, that cocaine.
I ain't never with cocaine is what I'm trying to say.
Shut the fuck up. I tell you, this cocaine. This cocaine right here. Oh, the cocaine right here.
Am I gonna get high?
Oh,
from
this cocaine.
eating?
Oh, you about to be faded. Tasha, you about to be faded. Cocaine, bro. You in love with the cocoa. You in love with the guy. Why you sitting there?
Somebody tried to roofie me.
Tasha.
Hell no!
Hey.
I knew the cashier was looking at me weird. He got a that was
Selling donuts for $200 a pop. We can sell them for $200 a pop.
You got me fucked up.
What? Cocaine donuts?
I'm
This is
feeling
real.
high.
What the fuck is this?
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling lightheaded.
Tasha, your ass ain't feeling lightheaded.
Babe, I feel high.
Calm
Something
down.
ain't right.
Start that right there.
I got cat-like reflexes right now. Don't fuck with me. High off that cocaine. Motherfucker.
Tasha, this ain't no goddamn cocaine. I'm just playing around. Calm your ass down. What you mad at me for? Here, eat one more of the donut. There ain't no cocaine. Oh, the bad ain't cocaine.
God damn!
Yeah.
That shit is gross!
I dipped this one in extra powder.
I don't want no more! God damn!
Why's your ass moving so fast like you off that speed or something?
Cause that's what the f that is. That's what I just told you. They tried to drug a bitch. Oh! Slide a bitch back around.
Tasha, if they some cocaine in here and
Slide a bitch back around.
somebody looking
My
for the
head's
donuts.
starting to hurt.
Why you gonna knock this out my hand?
Cause why you trying to roofie me? You trying to drug me?
I'm trying to get it in. Tasha, you got powdered donuts all over the goddamn car. Why the you playing around? You yelling at me and shit, calm your ass down, cocaine on.
That shouldn't taste like that.
What?
That's all I'm trying to say.
What?
That donut is not supposed to be that motherfucking salty.
What does it smell? What does it smell? What does it smell? Why does it smell like that?
Was you eating this?
That ain't powdered
That
sugar.
shit don't taste salty to you?
It definitely ain't powdered sugar. It definitely ain't
You
powdered
was
sugar.
just sitting there chomping down like it was the Last Supper. It was just so good. You didn't taste the saltiness?
I know I feel good.
That's what I'm saying. I feel high as shit. Roll the window down. I can't think. I can't breathe.
What window?
Roll the window down.
What window?
That's what I'm saying.
What
He
window?
done got us high. We high. Okay, what we gonna do?
What you gonna do? It's the question.
You trying to drug me?
No, I ain't trying to drug your ass here. You want another one?
No, I don't want no more, and you don't need no more either. Nigga. I don't know how much the weight limit
Tasha,
is on
turn
cocaine,
up.
but I know you a big nigga, but you don't need no more.
Tasha, why you throwing out? We paid $3 for them damn donuts.
Hell no.
What's wrong with you? We ain't throwing them. We about to eat them shit.
We ain't eating them motherfuckers. I ain't finna be high. I got a baby to go take care of. You got me f***ed up.
Tasha, is cocaine salty? I don't even think this shit's salty.
I ain't never had the shit, but I know it don't taste right. That's all I'm saying. I got a little head rush going on. I'm feeling a little high right now. Am I sweating like Whitney? Am I sweating like Whitney? I feel like I'm starting to
all
sweat.
your goddamn breath. That's what's wrong with you. Open the goddamn window while I wait for my goddamn sushi. I'm finna go get my sushi, my dog. You alright?
Don't look at me like this.
Tasha, if you don't get your smoky looking ass.
Oh!
That was not no goddamn angel dust. Calm your ass down.
Something ain't right. Something ain't right.
Tasha. Your ass would be a f***ed up crackhead if that shit was really some goddamn cocaine. You ain't right.
What you mean?
Stop moving this shit so goddamn fast.
Oh!
Ain't nothing wrong with your ass. Damn. I think somebody just put some baking soda in your shit. I think somebody just put some baking soda in your shit.
Why would they put baking soda in it, Brock? That's not no baking soda. They tried to poison the bitch. They put cocaine in my shit. Oh!
Hey, bro. I don't think
what's going on around this motherfucker? I'm reporting.
I don't think that's cocaine at all.
Why are you playing?
There's cocaine on here.
Bitch thought she was high as fuck. Why you playing?
Got him! Got him!
This is cocaine. That's why I hide my cocaine on.
That's just adrenaline? Thought it was over for a bit. Hi, little boy. Thought it was a wrap.
Tasha, calm your ass down.
Hey, come on. I still don't feel right.
Now look.
What?
Yeah, give me the donut. I'm gonna dip some more in here.
I feel sick to my stomach. I don't like it. The fuck is that?
The piece you broke.
What are you finna do?
Dip it in here so you can eat it.
I'm not eating. Taste that.
I thought you said you liked it like that.
That's.
I thought you said Cardi B. You like it like that?
No.
Man, you tripping, bro.
The f away. Stop playing. So you messed up my pack. Brock, go in and give me another pack of donuts. No, take your ass in and go give me another pack of donuts. If you don't go give me another pack of donuts, you're gonna be wearing that sushi. Oh, my mama. Stop playing with my donuts. Why are you playing?
I'm gonna go get my sushi and catch a Uber.
I'm telling you and TL, motherfucker.
You my TLC shirt up, I'm swinging on your ass.
Other motherfucking donuts, and I don't even want I don't want the powder no more. Just give me some regular frosted chocolate donuts, nigga. Stop playing with a bitch.
No chili like one of my videos.
Yeah, no, that was my video. She liked. Yeah, not yours.
Because it was out. Because clearly because I was in it.
It was one of my videos that she liked. Yeah.
It was clearly because I was in it.
Not yours.
Stop hating.
You know everybody.
All right, gang.
Big Tati, not the little one.
Got caught slipping. It is what it is, Team Rock me up.
My best friend. You're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine.